Beriev A-50 Mainstay is a Soviet, Russian, early warning and control aircraft based on the Ilyushin Il-76 transport plane. It was developed to replace the Tupolev Tu-126 MOS. The A-50 first flew in 1978. The main role of this aircraft is to detect, identify, and track airborne targets and warships at sea. This aircraft also provides guidance data to fighter aircraft and missiles. Its radar dome allows it to detect ballistic missiles at 800 kilometers, bombers at a range of 650 kilometers, fighter jets at 300 kilometers and warships up to 300 kilometers away. A-50 can simultaneously track up to 300 aerial targets and provide guidance data to a group of friendly fighter jets. The upgraded A-50M has an in-air refueling. It was fitted with improved Shmel-M radar. The A-50M had increased detection range and improved tracking capabilities. This aircraft is fitted with electronic warfare systems. Its range is 5,500 kilometers. Wingspan, 50 meters. Length, 46 meters. The A-50M entered service with the Soviet Air Force in 1990. A total of 26 original A-50 aircraft were upgraded to the A-50M standard. This aircraft is operated by a crew of 15, including a flight crew. Unit price of A-50U is around $500 million. A further upgraded version, the A-50U has increased tracking range against targets with low radar cross-section, such as cruise missiles. The A-50U is fitted with new PS-90A-76 engines. These engines are 15% more powerful than standard D30KP engines. The Aviadvigatel PS-90 is a high-bypass commercial turbofan engine rated at 16,000 kg force thrust. The engine incorporates full authority digital engine control, FADEC. It powers Russian airliners the Ilyushin Il-76 and the Tupolev Tu-126 series and transport aircraft such as the Ilyushin Il-76. The PS-90 has almost double the efficiency of D30KP and is competitive with the current generation of Western engines. The A-50U is fitted with a self-defense system. The self-defense system ensures protection from guided and unguided weapons of the enemy fighters attacking the aircraft from its front and rear hemispheres. The A-50U carries out patrol missions at an altitude of up to 10,000 meters. The aircraft is manned by 5 flight crew and 10 mission crew. The maximum take-off weight of the aircraft is 17 tons. It can travel at a maximum speed of 800 km per hour. A-50EI is an export version, sold to India. This version is equipped with an Israeli Falcon radar and more modern Aviadvigatel PS-90A-76 engines. India ordered 3 of these aircraft in 2004. These were rebuilt from existing Russian A-50 planes. The first one was delivered to India in 2008 and another 2, in 2010. Russians had plans to produce another variant, equipped with Israeli radar, for China. However, under the pressure from the US, Israel cancelled the project. China decided to take delivery of the original aircraft. The Chinese modified them with a domestically produced radar system and changed the type name to KJ-2000.